Garu, CEO Talent Sprints, Hyderabad. Speaker of the day, Dr. Tirupataya Garu, IFS, Additional Director General. Dr. Mari Chenna Reddy, HRD, Institute of Andhra Pradesh. Special invitee of the day, Mr. Chetan Anand, National Champion, Badminton. President of the day, Dr. Ramesh Babu Garu. All the parents, special invitees, members of the press and media, alumni, head of the departments, members of the teaching faculty, technical staff, administrative staff, support staff, and my dear students. A very good evening to one and all. As the director of this academy, I am happy to present the summary of the institutional annual report for the academic year 2013-14. Keeping confidence in me, management members have given me this responsibility on April 25, 2013. Another academic year is coming to a close, but it looks as if we have just started. This academic year also there has been a steady improvement in all areas, including academics, extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, placements, infrastructure, etc. Aurora Scientific Technological and Research Academy, Bandlaguda, Hyderabad was established in 2001 with 3 departments, namely Department of Computer Science Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Department of Information Technology, offering only BTech program with an intake of 60 students in each. In these 12 years of span, the academy has grown folds in all dimensions of quality education. Before presenting the summary of the institutional annual report today evening, I express my deep condolence to the parents and family members of Mr. P. Sachin of ECE final year who expired on June 22, 2013 due to ill health. Mr. Jay Prakash of ECE third year who expired on 11th October 2013 in a road accident. Mr. Shakilullah Khan, BTech first year student who met with an accident and expired on 18 December 2013. Mr. Patil Kiran Kumar, BTech CSC 4th year student who expired on 23rd January 2014. Mr. N. Arun Kumar, BTech 3rd year ECE student who was suffering with blood cancer and expired on 6 February 2014. I pray God to give their parents a great courage to meet this irreparable loss. The academy feels that all the students and the alumni are a part of Aurora family and always extends a great helping hand to the needful. To begin with the annual report of this academic year 2013-14, I wish to present the at a glance college level achievements first, followed by the department achievements later. Apart with the existing courses for this academic year, the college has started 3 PG programs in MTech Transportation Engineering, MTech Embedded Systems, MTech Power Systems Control Automation with an intake of 18 seats in each. The academy has applied for accreditation status from National Board of Accreditation, New Delhi for BTech programs in Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Also, it is proud on our part to disclose that we are one among only 4 institutions from Andhra Pradesh to apply for accreditation from National Board of Accreditation for all the eligible PG programs. On behalf of the institution, I am confident of achieving the accreditation status shortly for all the courses we have applied. Also, the academy has applied to the University Grants Commission, New Delhi for grant of autonomous status. The academy has obtained the status of permanent affiliation from JNTUH. The results of 2009-10 batch are the total number of students registered from Department of ECE are 115. The number of students passed is 99. Computer Science Department, 87 students registered, 71 students passed. Civil Engineering Department, 68 students registered, 48 students passed. It is a tradition at Aurora to applaud the student achievements on a distinguished platform. For the students passed out, Snataka, the graduation day, is hosted annually. It was conducted on 14 July 2013 at Shilpakala Vedika, Hyderabad. It witnessed a gathering of 3,000 audience comprising of graduates and their parents. Dr. Sai Baba Reddy, Rector JNTU Hyderabad, was the president of Snataka 2013. The chief guest of the program was Professor Jay Prakash Rao, Chairman, AP State Council of Higher Education. Keynote speaker was Shri Y. Kishore Garu, Vice President of Polaris, and the speaker of the day was Shri Ajay Jain Garu, IAS Commissioner of Technical Education, Government of AP. The topper of the college was Ms. Shravani Nandi from Computer Science Department, was honored with a gold medal being instituted by Mr. C.V. Narayan Rao in memoriam of his grandfather, Shri late Chepuri Venkata Narayan Rao Garu, who was a freedom fighter. The academy is open for the institution of any other memorial gold medal from the donors, healing from the parent community or any private personnel who has a thirst of encouraging students towards excellence in education. It is mandate for the donor to fix a deposit of rupees 50,000 in the name of Aurora Scientific Technological Research Academy, Bandlaguda, Hyderabad. The academic toppers of the college for this academic year have the percentages of 83 in final year, 87% at third year, 83% at second year, 87% is the highest in MTech course, MBA with 88%. The institution could generate a revenue of 21 lakhs internally through various internal resources of faculty and infrastructure in the financial year 2013-14. The academy has applied for the funding against research projects and various schemes being announced by Department of Science and Technology and All India Council for Technical Education. The academy has made an attempt in the right direction, in right earnest, and with the promise that it would fulfill its promise. The innovative practices at Aurora is a combination of conventional mechanisms of learning, such as lectures and laboratory sessions, along with the interactive teaching learning aids, such as seminars, on-course projects, guest lectures, expert sessions, industrial visits, assignments, and preparing student profiles. Each and every student is given an academic manual of his or her respective class that contains day-to-day schedule of activities, session plans of the subjects, assignment questions, and question bank of previous examination questions. The academic manuals for BTech program were released on day 1 of the semester for higher semester students and on the day of induction program for first year course. An innovative concept of project work in the name of knowledge race was introduced to BTech first year students. It is worthy to mention that all the 100% students who have registered for first year BTech program at Aurora have taken part in this competition, which had 9 levels based on selection of 50% of the contestants to the next level. In this process, Mr. Vishnudeep Tiwari of BTech ECE first year stood as a winner, while Mr. Abhay Kumar Roy of BTech Civil first year was a runner. This knowledge race has resulted in a healthy competition amongst the students right from their first month of admission. As a part of university curriculum, the number of laboratory prescribed per semester for BTech program are only 2. But since semester 1 of this academic year, the academy has taken an initiative to teach an additional lab to the students, which would help them to have more practical knowledge. The library and all the laboratories are kept open up to 7 p.m. on all working days. The academy is one among the 22 private engineering colleges in the country to participate in the prestigious World Bank project, that is Technical Education Quality Improvement Program Phase 2, initiated by Ministry of HRD, Government of India. The project supports teaching assistants to ensure the admissions into PG programs, faculty and staff development, industry and institute interaction, management capacity development, institutional reforms, and academic support to weak students. It is a 4-year project with a funding of 4 crores to the institution. As on date, the institution has received 1.2 crores from the central government and the state government, while the management has contributed 1 crore towards the project expenses. On behalf of the students and staff of this academy, I personally thank the National Project Implementation Unit, New Delhi, the State Project Advisor, our today's chief guest, Shri Ajay Jain Garu, the State Project Facilitation Unit, Hyderabad, and our management for this continuous support rendered in successful implementation of TechWhip 2 project till date. On this platform, I do promise on behalf of the academy that we would definitely try our level best to stand as one of the best performing institutions under TechWhip 2. At a glance, I wish to share the measurable outcomes of TechWhip 2 project till date. Number of teaching assistantships given under TechWeave 2 are 62. New PG programs started, 3 programs. 12 faculty have registered for upgradation their qualification. 62% of faculty members have attended training programs in research or teaching expertises. 22% of faculty have attended pedagogic training for effective teaching. 36% of faculty members have attended workshops and conferences under this project. 16 papers are being published, while 24 papers were presented from this project. 1 paper was filed and 1 book was published. As on today, the institution has 11 MOUs with the industries. From the departments, I am proud to announce for the outstanding achievements of the various departments at this academy, their students and staff. Without the efforts of individual faculty members, all these could not have been possible. Guest lectures. Department of Civil Engineering has conducted 13 guest lectures. Department of CSE 8, Department of ECE 8, Department of EEE 11, Information Technology 8, Mechanical Engineering Department 9, Humanities and Sciences 5, Business Administration Department 2. Totally 64 guest lectures were conducted in this academic year. Department of Civil Engineering conducted 4 workshops. Department of Computer Science Engineering 6, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering 5, Department of Electrical Engineering 2, Information Technology 5, Mechanical Engineering 2, Business Administration Department 4. In total, 28 workshops were conducted in this academic year. Civil Department conducted 8 industrial visits, Electronics Department conducted 4, Electrical 6, Mechanical 3, and Business Administration Department 2. Put together, 23 industrial visits were conducted in this academic year. Department of Civil Engineering has organized 2 industrial tours, Computer Science Department 2, Electronics Department 2, Electrical Department 1. Put together, total 7 industrial tours were conducted for students. Department of Civil Engineering has conducted 4 adjunct courses, Information Technology Department 2 adjunct courses. Totally 6 adjunct courses were conducted in this academic year. Student achievements. Computer Science Department has witnessed 29 students who were being permitted to take up industrial trainings during this academic year. 66 students from Electronics Department, 1 student from Electrical, 17 students from Information Technology, 28 students from Mechanical Department. Put together, 141 students were sponsored for industrial trainings from the academy. Computer Science Department has got 4 students who were selected for internships, 6 students from Electronics Department, 1 from Information Technology, and 29 students from Mechanical Engineering Department. Put together, the institution is witnessing internships of 40. Department of Civil Engineering has got 135 students who are AutoCAD Associate certified by Autodesk Incorporation, 4 students who are Autodesk Professional certified by Autodesk Incorporation, 176 students are STAAD Pro certified students. Department of Computer Science has got 1 student who is a Sun Microsoft certified, and Department of IT also. Put together, there are 317 students who are done with their certification courses in this academic year. 6 students from Civil Engineering Department has participated in various technical activities and competitions outside the college. 75 from Computer Science Department, 42 from ECE Department, 59 students from Information Technology, 5 from Mechanical, and 13 from Business Administration Department. Altogether, 200 students out of the current on-roll students have participated in technical activities that are being conducted outside the college. 4 faculty members from Civil Engineering Department have attended workshops and conferences, 11 from Computer Science Department, 15 from ECE Department, 10 from Electrical, 8 from Information Technology, 7 from Mechanical, 1 from Business Administration. Put together, 56 faculty have attended workshops and conferences outside the college. 11 faculty from Department of Computer Science have published papers in national and international journals. 10 from ECE department, 7 from electrical department, 5 from information technology, 7 from humanities, 1 from MBA. Put together, this academic year has witnessed paper publications of 41 being published in various journals of national and international cadre. 1 book was published in this academic year. Training for placement sessions are being conducted on weekly basis to all third and final year BTech students. For this academic year, 30 placement practice exams are being conducted exclusively for final year students to enhance placements. An exclusive placement brochure is being released in March 2014. 350 students have appeared for the NACSCOM test, that is a NAC test. Placement details for this academic year 13-14 are ECE 46 students, 38 students from Computer Science department, 21 students from Civil department, 6 students from Electrical department. Totally 111 students are placed as on date. Student support. Slow learners in BTech first year students are identified based on their mid-1 examination results, and student mentors are being appointed to exclusively monitor their progress. Makeup exams are conducted for the slow learners. From the library, the central library is well equipped with all the journals and books volumes as per the norms in all respects. The digital library is upgraded to 25 terminals. The library employs DSpace software for repository. Issues and returns are being through bar-coded student ID cards. Library management system is in place. College level digital teaching and learning mechanism is ensured through the central server located in the library. From the infrastructure, Fitness Center was inaugurated in the academy on 15th of August 2013. 1800 seating capacity auditorium is ready for inauguration on 22nd March 2014. From the sports, Ms. Lalita, first year mechanical engineering student, has been selected in JNTU team as a main player from 19th January to February 4th onwards. She has also participated in various competitions representing JNTU at state level competitions held at Siddipet, South Zone competitions held at Kerala, and senior nationals held at Khammam. The college volleyball team has participated at various platforms comprising of JNTU Hyderabad zonal competitions, CVSR Engineering College, and TKR Engineering College. The college cricket team has participated at various platforms including the ABVP Cup, where the cricket team was has entered almost the 3rd round. JNTU had zonals, Enadu Championship, where the team has reached quarterfinals after winning 5 rounds. Shuttle badminton, the college shuttle badminton team has participated and reached up to 3rd round in the MGIT Cup, state level championship held at VNR Vignan Jyoti. Also, the sports cell at the academy has organized an Aurora annual sports meet exclusively for employees to offer a platform to all the staff under the Aurora group to exhibit their talents in sports and games from 22nd June to 24th June 2014. Sports and games were conducted to the students of the academy on the occasion of annual day from March 1st, 2014 to 12th March 2014. From the student clubs were inaugurated on 21st July 2013. The club members have actively participated in various events like Friendship Day celebrations, Dance Day, Ethnic Day, Christmas celebrations, New Year celebrations, Rangoli and kite flying competitions. Mr. Ashish Joshi from ECE 2A has performed beatboxing at national platforms and won the first prize. Mr. Akshay Kamshetty, ECE second year student, has performed in the MTV Colors of Youth program and won the second prize. Mr. Surat Srivastav, ECE second year student, has participated and was selected for top 100 in Dance India dance program. 18 students from the academy have been selected in this academic year for the NCC Air Force Wing. Celebrations. The college has witnessed Independence Day celebration on 15th of August. Sri C.V. Sheshagiri Rao Garu, retired IPS officer, was the chief guest for flag hoisting. It witnessed a parade of 30 NCC cadets. Republic Day was celebrated on 26 January 2014. Dr. B.R. Shastri Garu, Professor, Aurora Engineering College, was the chief guest for flag hoisting. It witnessed a parade from 64 NCC cadets. BTech first year induction program was held on 6 October 2013, where the student kit was inaugurated by the chief guest and was distributed to all the students. The Department of Humanities and Sciences celebrated Sri Ramanujam's birthday as Technical and Science Festival for exclusively BTech first year students on 23rd November 2013. Also, the Department of Humanities and Sciences organized science exhibition exclusively for first year BTech students on 28th February 2014. Also, an education fair was conducted on 12th February 2014 by 13 Australian universities, wherein 32 professors from various universities have participated in the event and counseled the students for higher education in Australia.